Crush, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Yan, kahit di tayo magkasama, yan, nandiyan naman yung mga Saida Barkads. Enjoy your party. I hope next Christmas of our lives, magkasama na tayo. Tapos, this is a simple gift for you. Yan, basahin mo na lang ha. Always take care of yourself. I love you. Hello to Tito Emon, Tita Ems, and Baby Faye, Fading. um, ano, um, we're all excited to see you. Hello to Kuya Eugene, Ate Irene, Iya, I miss you. Yuri, TJ, Ate Evie, hello, Rain. Di pa ako makakita nung wish mo eh, pero pag nakakita ko, bibilin ko. Hello, Tenten. I wish to see you here in the Philippines. And the rest of the Saida Barkads, hello. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.